How to add two-page view in Adobe Acrobat. Let's dive into a quick and easy tutorial on adding two-page views in Adobe Acrobat. This feature is super handy for comparing the documents side by side or simply enjoying a wider view of your pages. First off, make sure you have your PDF open in Adobe Acrobat. Ready? Great. Now head over to this option on your right hand side. You can see several options right here. From this option, simply tap on this 1:1. You can see right over here, tap on it. That will open up you an option for two-page view. This is right over here, tap on it, and there you have it. You have successfully set up two-page view in Adobe Acrobat. This setup not only makes it easier to read but also helps in better editing and reviewing. Now feel free to explore the more features in Adobe Acrobat to enhance your PDF experience. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.